Hello and welcome to the ninth chapter. The name of the chapter is What Happened to the Reptiles? We will discuss the question answer. In what way is Pambupati different from any other village? Answer. While the people in other villages clashed with one another, people of Pambupati lived in peace. The people did not fight with each other in the name of religion or language. In this way, Pambupati is different from any other village. Question number 2. Why is Prem determined not to return to his village? Answer. Prem had left his village when the people had gone mad. They set the houses on fire and killed one another. So, Prem is determined not to return to his village. Question number 3. Why did Makara dislike tortoise, snakes and lizards? Write a line each about. Makara disliked tortoise because they were slow and stupid. They even carried their houses on their backs. He disliked snakes because they were slimy and they made funny noises. Makara hated lizards because they were undependable because they change color. Question number 4. What went wrong when the tortoise, snakes and lizards left the forest? Answer. There came a tough time. The forest got filled with foul smell of rotting fruit and fishes in the absence of tortoise. Rat multiplied in the absence of snakes, and without lizards there were millions of insects in the forest. Question number 5. Why do you think Prem want to tell the story of the reptiles to the people of his village? You could write your own answer or you could take this answer also. The people of Prem village had gone mad. They fought with one another in the name of religion. The story of Pambupati gave the message of peace and coexistence. It underlined the importance of living together. So Prem wanted to carry that message to his own village. Question number 6. Do you agree that it is difficult not to go along with someone who is very strong and powerful? Express your views frankly and clearly. You could write your own thought or else you could write this also. It is true that the common people are peace-loving and weak. They live in constant fear of strong and powerful. It is human nature to go with the strong, to be on the safe side. But the people also stand up against the bully when they are driven to the wall. They take up arms and fight the enemy successfully. Question number 7. If you were a baby crocodile, would you tell Makara that he was wrong? What would you say to convince him? You could write your own answer or else you could write this answer also. As a baby crocodile, I have a privilege to oppose my parent boldly. I would tell the elders that this world is a common property of all living creatures. To convince my dad Makara that he is wrong, I will give him a couple of reasons. First, it is the duty of the strong to protect the weak and not to harass them. Secondly, this earth is not the sole property of any one person or animal. All are interdependent. Together, they make this earth a place worth living. With this, we came to the end of this question answers. If you like it, comment what did you like. If you want to put forward your opinion, please feel free to comment in the comment box. If you have not subscribed this channel till now, please subscribe it. Press the bell icon. Don't forget to do that. Press the bell icon so that you could get the upcoming notification. Thank you.